Do you want to send a postcard to space and receive it back after the flight? Follow this tutorial. Go to Club for the Future website and download the postcard template. You can also use a 4 by 6 inches, 10 by 15 centimeters postcard you already have. Print the PDF and cut it. Add a stamp to ship from the USA to your country. Add your address and write your message. Sign here to give your permission to post your postcard on social media. On the back, draw a picture or write something. Take an envelope and write this address. On the envelope, add a stamp to ship from your country to the USA. Put the postcard in the envelope and send it. Now you have to wait for the next Blue Origin flight, the application of the stamp flown to space on New Shepard, and wait for it to be sent back. The process can be very slow. I waited 6 months to get it back after the flight.